Hi guys, my name's Kevin. Today I'm going to do a brief unboxing and show you the new Lightwaverf smart dimmer from Lightwave. The one I've got here is a single gang dimmer, and I'm going to show you the basic unboxing of it. Okay. There we go, that's the dimmer itself. Small tag there, take off. On this particular dimmer, the two wires you connect to it from your existing light switch. The live goes in this first connection here, and the switch wire goes into this connection here at the beginning. The switch is actually unusually is a bit strange, but they actually mount upside down, which means they actually go in like that. So the cabling goes in from the bottom. So the writing is technically upside down on the switch. It seems a little strange. Right, so what we do here is to get a screwdriver and just unclip the top plate. There we go, just unclip that. There we go. So that's the dimmer itself. In the box, I think I've probably got some screws. Yeah, the screws are sellotaped to the underside of the inside of the box, and we've got instructions inside as well on how to wire it. So that's basically the unboxing. What I'll do a short video shortly on how to install it and what it's like when it's installed.